If you find that TikTok is missing some important video editing features, such as cut and split, and only has trim, then you will want to use this free video editor app called Inshot, which I highly recommend. I use a free app called Inshot. You can also do it with Inshot. Both of them are free, and both of them are good, but I prefer Inshot by a little bit. So download Inshot, open it up. I already have the video files in my phone. Here's the welcome screen. So create new video. Here are the videos on my phone, and the upper 5, these came from videvo.net. It's free videos you can use. It's stock videos you can use for free, and they also have the premium ones. I have them selected. Now I click the green check button down here. So these are the 5 videos in the playhead here. Here's another scene. Here's another clip. I can easily trim and cut these video clips. So for example, let me click on this first clip here. I'm clicking down there. Okay, it opens up this editor here, and I press the scissor trim button, and now I can edit the starting point and the ending point. That's trim. You can also cut. If you press cut in the middle here, then I cut out the middle portion. Split allows you to cut these video clips multiple times. Click down here below multi-split. Then now you can cut it multiple times. Then now you can work with these clips as well. You can trim and cut as you please. It's telling me my total footage here is 1 minute 19 seconds. Of course, TikTok has a limit of 1 minute, exactly 1 minute. So I can keep cutting until I get down to a minute or less. Let me cut some of this portion here. Let me cut this clip here, put a cut in the middle, accept. I now have a 56-second video clip which I can now upload to TikTok after I save this. So let's save this here, click save, upper right, save. You can choose the quality. I tend to just use 720p, and it's saving. And now it's saved. Let me go back to my gallery to see it. Gallery is the new clip. And as you can see, it's now 56 seconds long. So this was the output that Inshot made with all my edits in the program. This is now ready for upload to TikTok. Let's open up TikTok, click the plus button. Then let's click the upload button. And right there is my 56-second new video clip. And now it's ready for editing here in TikTok itself. So that's how you can easily trim, cut, and split your videos for better editing before uploading it into TikTok. Thanks for watching.